Welcome in this video. So in this video you exactly will see the video about China airdrop. So this is pretty much now in trending in the airdrop space, testnet space. They usually do distribution their token. Maybe you already gain experience about that. Maybe you get some token before, so through doing airdrop. So basically I'm doing share with you today giant airdrop. So if I show you the Twitter thing about giant, you will notice that their funding now is increasing. Their funding was 5-10 million dollar. Now that is now in $25 million in funding. So here is their pin post. If you noticed that giant has raised an additional 25 million to continue making crypto accessible to everyone everywhere. So I just make sure to you that, so you will get my this offer link inside of the comment box. Check out that comment box and feel free to come on this telegram and join here. Okay, click on that link and you will immediately get this. Like, you can copy that link and you can paste on whatever browser you are using there. So I've already curated video about that before. Now just I'm showing you how to you join appropriate way for new user and new update. Okay, couple of tasks they added later, those are all. Thank you for joining, and as well as you are going to see that the updated task how do you join, and new on those are yet don't join, please I recommend you to join here. And everything I am showing you, just uh, just give attention here to being eligible on this airdrop. So nothing else, just collecting your point here, like doing games, but here is not you are wasting time. Here is you are doing like swap, bridging, stacking, learning crypto, how everything is work, and as well as you are earning. No time wasting here. Okay, so click on this connect button and there is loading. So everything I will clear to you. I will try to make sense you. After, you need to provide, if you are new user, you need to provide your email and you need to verify your thing. So I've already joined, therefore it is directly coming to me in the onboarding page, in front of page. Okay, main page. I mean to you. So the thing is, I've already complete every task, maybe you are seeing. So you need to go stack, and you need to, first thing first, here is they provide you at that time some faucet there. Like, click on there, I'm showing you again. So testnet is taking.pound.com, go inside of their, like, uh, exactly staking page, where you need to log in your page. So click on login button, the white button you are seeing in front of your eye. So now loading pretty much, because I'm in now inside of the room. Therefore here is, maybe I'm using mobile data, not Wi-Fi, and now my phone charge has been decreased. I need to quickly quickly finish my video. So now you are seeing that new interface. Here you will get on faucet option on giant faucet. Click on there in order to doing stacking. Okay, pretty much straightforward, and there is loading while you will get. Here is, it will be increased. Okay, already I get. So now delegate, click on, oh, okay, I already did this task. So here is below option delegate here. So now 0.5 and delegate now and confirm, and that is loading. 0.5, do this thing like 3 times, 3 different validator. Okay, success, already done. Do again and do again. If you don't get faucet, click for take faucet. If you haven't enough sufficient faucet, take that faucet and use delegate here, below option. Okay, I've already did, I'm just showing you. Okay, So let's say we already done this thing. After a while, immediately it will be not done. You will not get this mint option. After a while, like 5-10 minutes later, you this button would be uh, um, pop up in front of you to doing claim, to doing mint. Okay, so now welcome NFT, it will be done while you join here. A referral, if you do referral, it will be done. Okay, verification coming soon, it is not you need to do. And here is the thing, you just join everywhere, take this hashtag and go to your Twitter, and they're exactly their their main website, and here is everything has for you. You can use Chine anywhere from any device. What is the craziest place you can use it? Get creative, take a picture and tag Chine everywhere to enter the competition. Visit chineeverywhere.com, visit this website and take a screenshot your creativity way, your like how imagine you are take picture this way, and um, what they wanted to do you here, China everywhere hashtag, use that and write down your creative imaginary, your creative thought there, and into the like 7 weeks later they choose some winner and they get 500 XP. That is huge. So bet be here. So if you wanna get this task, I've already get this task, both of. So this is the online like casino game. So here just you will get faucet for doing that. So like let me show you, I'm showing you how do you do that. Click on that faucet button, and that uh, link will bring into you the exactly uh, exactly the role like casino onboarding page, where you need to claim your faucet and play the games. So I'm showing you, like maybe they will not provide me claim option because it will take 1 hour. uh, After 1 hour you need to you can claim their token. So you should wait 3 or 46 minutes. Okay, so click on play after you get, and here is rollout. So like I have 5 USDT, that is non-worthwhile. I don't wanna do this thing, but you need to be eligible for doing that. Okay, so choose 3 number that will be selected in this wheel. Okay, and place bet. So if it is not working, try over again. And so now you will see there is a bit option, and clicks this place bit option. Maybe I already did, it will be not working. So anyway, you can do that, like here is selection option, and you will be done by that. So after 25 you will complete it, you will read, you will get this giant NFT inside of the giant onboarding. Okay, that you are doing. So pretty much easy, nothing complicated. So if you wanna get any complicated thing, come into my Telegram. I will do call with you. I will put my Telegram profile inside of the Telegram description. Telegram channel description. So I will get everything put together. Okay. So now that is done. So here is Euro scraper. So so if you wanna do, so you need to first uh, click on participate, where you will have a Discord, join Discord, Telegram, participate option. Okay, and that page will be pop up in front of you, like nothing complicated here. So I'm showing you how do you join here. So the the profile you need to choose that you are using in for joining in this airdrop. So now here is you are seeing faucet option, click on there, get AST to doing this task appropriate way. So the thing is I'm showing you first you need to get faucet, click on second drop, and here you need to put your 1000, okay, and deposit that is, okay, and that will be done. So okay, that is loading pretty much. It will be a complete transaction failed. It doesn't make sense to me. So if it does not work, do over and over again. When it will be done, you will get notified by doing its transaction is been done. So pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated, transaction successful, maybe you are seeing. So now stability pool, click on there and AUSD. So here is I wanna do 100 deposit, click on there, and immediately that will be same way done. And yeah, nothing complicated, your work has been done. Do that until you get this button, your escape NFT mint button, okay. So this is the thing. So here is only button NFT. So you need to get, in order you need to done this task by going through their website to doing handle, to getting their social handle, okay. So like I'm showing you how do you do that. Go to app, click on there, and here this apps is opening. Wait until that has been opened in like appropriate way. I'm showing you how do you do that. Like okay, the page has been opened. Now your profile need to be connected with this website. So click your handle. I'm just showing you like your Twitter profile handle, like this type of, let's say my name is Mami 903. So climb your handle. If you click on there, it will be show you something. So I'm showing you climb your handle, search your handle, is that available or not. So if it's available, you can get, okay, nothing complicated. So oops, I haven't any claim option. In order to get claim, I need to invite people. So I don't know now, if you are first guy you use this website, you will get on handle totally free to doing claim. So and do that if you wanna, and come back, join onboarding. So it is not mandatory. And after BitB price prediction, the same thing, go to this faucet piece, or you can reading there in terms of how they said to getting done this task, it will be better, okay. So now I'm going their website here, BitB website, okay. So I already done this task. So okay, click on there and it will be coming to you inside of the bit fee, where you need to claim your faucet that they provide you each day, 24 within 24 hour, and by getting those faucet by using their website, okay. So now I already get, click on this login and connect your wallet here and claim. I already did, so therefore it will be not working. So rollout. So here is price prediction. I'm showing you how this is look like. Click on this three dot button, and now maybe you are seeing here past option price prediction. It's Bitcoin price prediction. So click on this up or down, what you wanna choose, and here we go. Let's say I have this Mayona Max and bit. Click on this bit button. That is loading pretty much. So straightforward, nothing complicated, and successful, okay. So now come back, and your work is done. This is the new update by Xion Airdrop. See you later in the next time. So do subscribe if you are watching this video until finish. So thank you for watching this video and coming to Telegram by checking in this video's comment box. Okay, see you.